Common errors in mathematics. Common errors in math. How old is your child? Answer: 1 years old. 1 is a singular numerical pronoun, always have no s. Therefore, remember each time you say this word, use a word year. Correct answer: 1 year old. Common errors in math. How do you use comma as separation? Answer: 100k. Correct answer: 100,000. 100,000. Common errors in math. How to write 2 decimal places? 100. Correct answer: 100,000. Remember, always carry it with you and smile each time you use those words.